I'm on my way to the airport. So excited. We're like 15 minutes out, so let's see if I make this flight because it boards at 8:35 or it starts boarding at 8:35 and I'm 15 minutes away. It's 8:10, I think. So let's see. We are at the airport. I'm almost at my terminal. I'm very happy about that. I should probably get the fuck out. You too, thank you. Come on, y'all. I'm not leaving. You thought I was feeling you? You thought I was feeling you? So happy to be here. Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's Shesyourfave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, what's up? I'm super excited because we are once again in New York. I am currently staying at the Public Hotel and I'm just very excited to be here. So right now it's actually 3:28 and it is February 24th, and yeah, this vlog or these vlogs are gonna be backlogged real bad because I've literally been to 4 places and I haven't even started editing any of the vlogs, but I've been vlogging, so you guys are gonna get vlogs like non-stop, so you'll probably see this in like a month from now. Let me go ahead and give you guys a rundown real quick. So 2 weeks ago I met my friend Celine Trini Muspirit Tekar. So it's her birthday this weekend and I told her I'm coming back for your birthday, and so said, so done. We're back in New York for Celine's birthday. I met her through my friend Khadijah, so it's me, Celine, Khadijah, right? My friend Asheray, before I even met Celine, was telling me we need to go to New York. Brittany wants you to come to New York. Brittany wants her to come to New York. Asheray, Brittany. Cool, so 5 of us. Akia, if you watched my first ever New York vlog, this was not the last October but October before that. Me, Ash, and Akia was in that vlog. So Akia lives here, and we also have 2 friends from our high school, Toria and Chelsea. So 8 girls, 1 night. Cool. I need to head downstairs because I'm going to the Zara in Soho. I'm wearing my Pretty Little Thing set, some Yeezys, and I'm gonna bring my suede gray Bottega Jody. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. So I have 2 other phones. Literally, the purple phone is just for content, any recording that I have to do. So I'm gonna fit these 2 phones up in here and I'm gonna just walk with my camera and other phone in hand. And then I want to go to the Louis Vuitton store to get a fragrance, so let's just do that. I'm about to get my Uber and we're gonna be on the way. So let me just show you guys real quick my outfit. This is what we're giving, and I'm gonna put my jacket on because it's literally 40 degrees outside. Oh shit, I'm gonna zip this up because it's honestly way too cold for that. Like, it's way too cold for cleavage. I'm actually making use of these. If you guys remember, I had them in my Puerto Rico vlog, so I'm not gonna squeeze it in my mouth. That's ridiculous. So
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Like words. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
Listen, I have like 5 batteries for this camera and I just charged them all. So yeah, we're gonna do extra battery. And this is my fragrance of the day. This is my bond number 9 in Madison Square Park. My favorite bond ever in life. I need to buy a new one. So let's open this stuff. I'm gonna start with this one because this is a fragrance. Yeah. Jesus. Okay. So it's this one. Let's smell. Oh, Jesus. I'm like a floral girl. Floral. I love. Yeah. So it's this one. I literally love this. It reminds me of the bond number 9 I'm using, but like a stronger version. I'm very here for this. A Louis Vuitton bracelet for mommy. I love it. And it just has a bag. That's adorable. This is stinking cute. I love this. Let me see. Let's put it on, girl. She's cute. Hi, you guys. Hi, everyone. Okay, period. To match my purse. Okay. Period. I love all my stuff. And right now I'm waiting for Khadijah to come so I can curl her hair. So I should probably like get the curlers and stuff out my suitcase. And then I want to do like some swoops there real quick, and my sideburns. I really did not do anything to my hair. I also got some AirPods. I left my AirPods at home, and yeah. So these are what? Just regular AirPods. So I got these because I didn't bring the other ones. So yeah, there's that. Very happy to be here. Very happy camper. And I just love that every time I buy some Apple thing or get some Apple product, we get a charger with it. Love that for the doll. And it's like bigger than the ones I have now. I hope they don't like hurt my ears for life. But these are a vibe. These are cute. I'm gonna order like a case for them soon. How do I know which one goes where? Like, this is huge. This is like humongous. Like, who does this?
Why don't you give us a life update?
You can give us a life update.
No, you give us a life update. This is your YouTube channel. Give us a life update.
Life is good, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Like, what? Do you have anything exciting? You have like a new lover?
No, I don't have any new nothing. All these niggas is still on my body though.
The niggas been on my body. I seen that you just recently like moved. Are you planning on giving them like a inside view of the apartment tour?
When I'm done. I'm not done yet. I need a pink bed because when I tell you guys the reason behind my pink bed, y'all gonna be like, yeah. all my life. Like ever since after living on my, when I lived on my own for the first time, when I moved, I had a boyfriend. He didn't live with me, but I took him into consideration, and I was like, let me not get a pink bed. Let's get a different color bed.
Oh, so you was giving your boyfriend what he wanted instead of what you wanted, but you know you wanted a pink bed.
Cool. Can I have a clip, please? So now, I feel like I'm finally just living for me. It's just me. I'm in my me season. So I'm going to get a bed that is pink because it just represents free. Fuck these niggas and do what you want to do. Pink. Yeah.
Do you also want to paint the room pink also?
Maybe. And the pink is like more of like a, it's more of a, like a mauve. So not necessarily like a bright pink bed.
Like a
Not necessarily purple, but pink, pinky, like a nude pink.
Okay.
Not baby pink, but
I know.
Yeah. Yeah. I just think that people need to stop speaking on other people's kids and get your own kids so you can speak on them. How about that?
I think I'm ready to have kids.
You ready? Congratulations. You're gonna be a mom.
I am not gonna be a mom, not right now, but I feel like I want a kid, but I don't know.
I mean, hey, don't rush it because, listen, you see what I had to deal with yesterday. The whole car ride home, he was screaming, acting like somebody had a knife to his neck, and that was not the case. And then when we got home,
on FaceTime though. Like,
exactly, you saw the whole thing. But that doesn't happen every single day. That's never happened. And he was crying because he was itching.
I think he was tired.
Oh no, he was crying because he was itching. It was his eczema. Because he didn't go to sleep. He didn't go to sleep when I brought him to the sitter's house.
Really?
Or on the way, you saw he was acting.
You're not even taking it from me.
I'm going to take the rest.
I will. Gila.
I just now got out the shower, put my top on. This is the top I'm wearing to the club and dinner. I'm just trying to pretty much hurry up because my friend, she's ready, okay? She's ready. She's wetting her hair down and I'm literally nowhere. Like, just about to start on eyebrows and it's 9:30. Actually, everybody and their mama in our group is wearing black and everybody is having curls. So, you know, I think I need to be a part of that committee. I'm going to put some crimps in. They're going to be cute, right? Period.
I'm gonna think like you're in New York. That's how they talk. And then we walked away.
He's very such a nosy, in fact.
He was still there. He was still there. I ain't gonna lie. He probably.
Let's fucking go. Hi, I have arrived. Okay, Mohammed. It's the next day, and last night was an absolute shit show. I'm not gonna go super into details, but we were supposed to go to dinner, didn't go. My pictures on my camera wasn't coming up good. Tried to take iPhone pictures, frustrated, do not like them. Went to the club, we went to the club and we got there on time with my friends. Outside was cold, too much going on, can't handle it. Like, everybody's frustrated, like waiting for people. Too much. Get into the club is ghetto. The security guards at the door, messy, ghetto. Would never go back to there. That place is called Duke's. Highly do not recommend. Would never go there ever in life. Very ghetto. Not up to par with what I do when I go out to club. Ew. Then in the club, friends didn't mesh well. That's okay because nobody know each other from the side of our ass crack. So at this point, woosah. Like, I give it up, I give it to God. Can you tell? I'm just over it. Yeah, because I am. But right now, it's 3:38 p.m. The last time I was in New York, my little butt was in the bed until 5, didn't go out till it was dark, and I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to take you guys out with me, and we are going to do something before it gets dark. I'm just seeing people outside being productive, right? And even though I'm not going to be productive as much as they are, I would still like to go outside. It's really cold. It's like 33 degrees, but they're playing fucking ball. Like, I can go out there and I can do some exploring too. So I'm gonna go get some pasta, and then I also want to just go to a museum, get some ice cream, and come back home. I'm rich. So just tell me how much the fee is. Huh? I said tell me how much the fee is.
It's like $2.
It's 3.4 ounce.
My phone. Y'all, I'm gonna bring y'all. Yeah, so let's go. My friends in the back. Love it here. Just doing a little stroll in New York. But let me show you guys what the place looks like. I think that this is so cool. That was fun. That was actually crazy. But I'm actually walking, and my laces need to be tied. But you know what? I'm high off life. I hope I'm going the right way. So take it and go ask you a discount. Let's see that.
She's so weird. Like, y'all gonna make me sign a consent form?
One day and then one day and
NDA? She said an NDA is a DNR.
Do not This is the fit.
Yeah, she said a DNR. I love that.
No, take yourself a true. Don't do that to me.
Well, I got your back, babe.
Do you?
I'm gonna keep it in.
I'm your Jamaica friend.
more.
Yes.
Give me the big power. I want front and left.
No.
Okay, it's a frontal.
It's a frontal.
You thought I was feeling you? You thought I was feeling you? That nigga got money. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga got money. Nigga, he ate it for lunch. This in my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga got money. Nigga, he ate it for lunch. This in my body, I get what I want. Like, let's say now, let's keep it up clean. Wanna be mad, I be on the scene. That's too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my steps, but just not what it's seen. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's holding up beans. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Dirty ass fucking me like that I'm mean. Never switch, all you shitting me. If you ain't a body, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini me. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm finna X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, these not breathing. I'm in a check, throw them in.